Top mistakes every car owner should avoid. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, windows down, music up, feeling like the king of the road. But wait, are you making car ownership blunders that could turn your smooth ride into a bumpy disaster? Today, we're uncovering the top mistakes every car owner should avoid. Some of these are so simple, yet shockingly overlooked. They could literally save your car from turning into a pile of scrap metal. Hey there, car enthusiasts and everyday commuters. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, the ultimate pit stop for everything about cheap, fun, and reliable wheels. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just trying to avoid a call to the tow truck, you're in the right place. Today, we're not just talking about cars, we're talking about saving them. We've all been there, making little slip-ups that seem harmless but can cost us big time. From the mind-blowing way thieves can hijack your ride without even touching it, to the seemingly innocent daily habits that are silently wrecking your car, we're diving deep. So fasten your seatbelts because these aren't your everyday driving tips. Let's roll into today's episode and make sure your car doesn't end up on the most wanted list of a chop shop. Poor key storage habits and risks. Keyless car theft, also known as relay theft, has become a significant concern for car owners. Modern vehicles equipped with keyless entry systems are particularly vulnerable to this type of theft. The convenience of not having to use a physical key to unlock or start the car can be exploited by thieves using relay attack technology. This method involves intercepting and relaying the signals between a car's key fob and the vehicle itself, tricking the car into thinking the key fob is in close proximity, thus allowing access and even starting the engine. The relay attack usually involves two individuals, where one stands near the car while the other is close to the key fob, often inside the owner's house. The device used can amplify the key fob's signal over significant distances, sometimes over 100 meters, making it possible for thieves to unlock and drive away with the vehicle in just a few minutes. The alarming fact is that a staggering 96% of motorists with keyless cars are at risk of such thefts, protecting your vehicle from relay theft. To combat the threat of relay theft, various preventative measures can be taken. One of the most effective solutions is using a signal blocking pouch, also known as a Faraday bag or pouch. These pouches are lined with metallic material that prevents the car key fob from transmitting its code, thereby thwarting any attempt by thieves to amplify and relay the signal. In addition to Faraday pouches, there are other measures to consider. Turn off keyless fob's wireless signal. Some keyless fobs have an option to turn off their wireless signal. This can be an effective way to prevent relay attacks, especially during nighttime or when the car is parked for prolonged periods. Use of physical security devices. Employing traditional security devices such as steering wheel locks or car alarms can provide an additional layer of protection. These mechanical devices are often overlooked by modern car thieves, making them an effective deterrent. Reprogramming car keys. In cases of purchasing second-hand vehicles, it's advisable to reprogram the car keys to ensure previous owners or individuals with access to old keys cannot access the vehicle. Parking strategies. Parking defensively, such as close to your property or in well-lit areas, can also reduce the risk of theft. Additional security measures like outdoor motion detector lighting and CCTV can further enhance vehicle safety. Vehicle models and relay theft. Certain vehicle models are more susceptible to relay theft than others. Research and tests conducted by organizations like Thatcham have identified which models are more secure against such attacks. For instance, models like the Audi e-tron, BMW 1 Series, and Ford Puma have been given superior security ratings indicating better resistance to relay theft. On the other hand, models like the DS3, Crossback, and Ford Mondeo have been rated poorly in terms of security against relay attacks. It's crucial for car owners, especially those with keyless entry systems, to be aware of these risks and take proactive steps to protect their vehicles. Employing a combination of modern and traditional security measures can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a victim of relay theft. Misunderstanding speed bump impact. Now, let's bust a myth. The invincibility of SUVs against speed bumps. Contrary to popular belief, no car, regardless of its height or suspension, is immune to the jarring effects of speed bumps. Hitting them at full speed can wreak havoc on your car's suspension, turning your smooth ride into a bumpy nightmare. Not to mention, speeding over these bumps poses a significant risk to pedestrians. Beyond the moral and safety considerations, there's also a financial angle. Careless driving over speed bumps could lead to expensive suspension repairs and even legal troubles if you're unfortunate enough to hit someone. So, next time you see a speed bump, don't just see it as a minor inconvenience, but rather as a reminder to slow down and save both your car and potentially someone's life. Hey viewers, quick pit stop here. If your car was a superhero, which one would it be and why? Is it a sleek, gadget-filled Batmobile dodging relay thieves, or more like the Flash, zipping over speed bumps? Drop your supercar alter egos in the comments below and let's see who has the most creative ride in the car-computer exchange universe. Delaying minor maintenance, a journey towards costly repairs. When it comes to maintaining your car, think of the old saying, a stitch in time saves 9. Ignoring those little maintenance tasks, that's like ignoring a dripping faucet until it becomes a flood. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly and preventing those heart-stoppingly expensive breakdowns. This isn't just about changing your oil, though that's crucial. It's about the whole package, keeping an eye on everything from tire pressure to brake pads. Let's start with engine oil. This isn't just lubricating your engine, it's about protecting it. Imagine running a marathon in shoes that are falling apart. That's your engine without regular oil changes. Most guidelines suggest changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, but check your car's manual for the golden number. And remember, driving conditions matter. If you're often in stop-and-go traffic or extreme temperatures, your car might need more frequent changes. Delaying oil changes, that's inviting wear, tear, and a whole host of engine problems down the line. But there's more to car care than just oil. Your tires, for example, keeping them properly inflated isn't just about avoiding flats, it's about fuel efficiency, handling, and longevity. You should be checking your tire pressure monthly and before any long trips. And then there's the tire rotation, typically needed every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear and maintain balanced handling. Let's not forget about your brakes. They're literally what stand between you and an accident. Regularly inspecting brake pads and discs for wear and tear is vital. And brake fluid? It needs a flush every 2 years because as it ages, it absorbs moisture and loses effectiveness. Your car's battery, alternator, and starter also need regular checks to ensure they're functioning correctly. Difficulty starting your car or dimming lights could signal problems here. And air filters? A clogged air filter can reduce fuel efficiency and engine performance, so replacing it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles is key. Be vigilant about fluid leaks. These can be early signs of major issues. Regular checks under your car for any signs of oil, coolant, or brake fluid leaks can save you from bigger problems later. Wheel alignment is another silent problem. Misalignment can lead to uneven tire wear and poor handling. Watch for signs like pulling to one side or a crooked steering wheel, and have your alignment checked annually. Keep an eye on your exterior lights and replace bulbs as needed for safety and visibility. Your car's HVAC system also needs attention. Clean or replace cabin air filters to ensure a comfortable driving environment. And don't ignore those dashboard warning lights. They're your car's way of crying for help. Immediate driving after starting the car, the silent killer of engines. Now let's talk about a common habit that's quietly damaging cars all over the world, driving off immediately after starting the engine. It's like waking up and immediately sprinting without a warm-up. Your engine needs a moment or two, especially when it's cold, to get the oil flowing to all the right places. This is about protecting your engine and extending its life. The rule of thumb, give it about 10 to 15 seconds, maybe a bit more in colder weather. This simple act of patience can prevent increased wear and tear and keep your engine running smoothly for years. And that's a wrap on today's journey through the twists and turns of car maintenance. Remember, your car is more than just a set of wheels. It's your trusty steed in the concrete jungle. So treat it with a little TLC and it'll pay you back in miles. If you've enjoyed this motorized ride full of tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us at Car Computer Exchange. We've got a garage full of content to keep your ride smooth and your car knowledge sharp. Stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, keep those engines purring. See you on the next one, where we'll shift gears into more auto awesomeness.